Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making avocado quesadilla. We have 4 avocado here, half an onion cut up here, nice red onion, grating the cheese here. Well, I love this avocado quesadilla, tastes really good. Kids them really love it. They love when I make it. We will be using this tortilla for the quesadilla. This is very good for it. And it's more crispier, I think. Here, then avocado here. Here, check it out here. Check it out here. This is all the ingredients we are using. We have the salt, the pepper, lemon juice, and the onion, red onion. It's gonna be one cheese, avocado, and the best tortilla to make it. Very simple. Mashing the avocado. You can use a fork or a smasher. We'll add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of hot pepper, one teaspoon of lemon juice, and half an onion here, red onion. It's very good for you. Already cut up. Add the cheese at last here and mix everything up. Yeah, the kids them love the cheese. Very simple and tasty dish. The kids them really love it. Mix it all up. Here we have the tortilla and the avocado ready. Okay, we'll put the avocado inside and we'll spread it on the tortilla. Then we'll fold it in half. Half of the tortilla. Check it out. Looking good. I'm gonna make sure all the corners spread properly all over. Check it out, guys. Look at that. This is how you make it.
Making this.
We will continue to make it until all the avocado is finished. We are making some eggs too here. Look at that. Looking good. And we have the oil over here that we'll fry the piece. Just a little bit of oil in the pan. Here we have the tortilla. We'll fry it until it gets crispy. Then we'll turn it over and fry the other side as well. Anyway, we would like to wish Country Gal a happy birthday and a happy new year to the entire family. Have a good one. It's from Fabulous Food. Check it out, guys. We just flip it over. We'll fry it until it gets a little more brown on the other side. Okay, check it out, guys. It's all done now. Look at that. Check it out, guys. All done now. You can like, share, and subscribe if you like the way it turns out. Look at that. See? We'll have some over easy egg to go with it. Wow. Thanks for watching. Bye.